Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I just got a new camera and it's really hard for me to look at the lens, so I'm gonna do my best to look in the lens, guys. So just bear with me. So yeah, I'm very excited. I just woke up, my hair is all nappy. Today's video, my boyfriend, who's in the bathroom right now, is gonna help me get ready. So yeah, I had an accident yesterday and he's gonna be taking care of me. Yeah, it's not broken, it's just sprained. So yeah, so I'm very excited for this. I'm not gonna call it a vlog, but like just bits of pieces of clips I'm gonna just put together, and yeah, so stick around for this ride, guys. All right, guys, let's go. Are you ready to, you know, get me ready and stuff?
I'm ready, baby.
Oh, you got shit on outfit too.
Oh, hell no. I can say something else.
Stop. All right, let's get it cracking. Can you stop playing?
Come on. Obey your mama.
Oh!
Sorry. Just gonna break teeth after this. I forgot about the phone.
You trying to break teeth but not my teeth? My sweating.
Oh my god, when did that happen? Fucked up teeth over here. Take care of your teeth. Kids, brush your teeth every day.
Yeah, let me just give him has no cavity. No cavity.
Hey.
Look at his, he got perfect teeth.
Not perfect teeth.
He got no cavity.
And look through. Back up.
Excuse me?
I mean,
For what back up?
hey.
What back up? My butt. Alright, so what's next? So I can't show that he... Alright, babe, my hair.
We're gonna mess it up though.
No, we not. Boy, I'm gonna slap him.
We'll be back later, guys. Don't worry.
What not?
They won't know how long we taking.
No.
Cut.
No.
End scene.
No.
Start of the next scene.
No. I will with that hand.
Go ahead.
Okay?
Go ahead.
So don't play with me. So I can't show where he in the shower. I'm in the shower, whatever, because I don't have a tripod. So I don't. So we'll be back. Right, babe?
Yeah.
So we'll be
Not
back.
going anywhere.
So we'll be back.
Unfortunately.
So we'll be back.
We'll be black.
All right, guys, so now he's finished with my hair. Didn't look too bad at all. Okay, let's see what we got here going on. Okay. Not focus. You go, babe.
Let me see your hair.
What? Ew. Baby. Why not, babe?
Right. Worth it. Yeah, exactly.
Why not?
But then Ted Kaczynski tried to be like, yeah, he has unproven science, and that's.
How many minutes, babe? Alright. So the Uber is coming right now. Alright. Here we go. Get this in here. Okay, come on.
Oh, look, you got something on your nose. Talk to your audience, right?
So guys, we at IKEA.
Yeah, I don't know this girl. She's been following me for the past month and a half.
What you said?
She is a stalker, guys. Please, somebody help me. Need help? Brooklyn, New York. Send help. If I don't make it out alive.
That's right.
I don't know why she's so obsessed.
What you say?
I mean, I do know, but hey. Poor girl.
Hello.
Well, there's the lighting in here.
Come to my kitchen, my dream kitchen. Like,
I wonder how many times she's gonna say that in this video. It's so dark.
because I'm black. Get used to it.
Oh, I didn't know. But you were a white woman.
Is that right?
Nice and comfortable. You just ruined my moment.
Wow. It feels good, right?
It does.
Babe, and you're still looking at the top. You gotta look right.
Help, please. Somebody come get this woman. Coming out of the closet. Tell the world. I guess it's time.
Alright guys, so we're looking for a bed. So we at the section and Leo is looking around. He's over there. Looking around. You see? Nope. What does it say? Nope. Look. Oh, it is? We found the bed that we were looking for, and I don't know what he's doing right now. Hey, what are you doing?
Taking a picture of this.
Oops. If you fall, I'm laughing. Oh shit. Okay guys, so shopping is done and Julio is trying to put the stuff inside the Uber. So yeah. So I'll see you guys back at the house. Alright, so we're back home. We're exhausted right now. What is the shadow? Oh, okay. Yeah. Good workout.
Yeah.
And my edges are still laid. Long day. I'm sweating. You know, long day. We got everything we need and all that.
Almost everything.
Almost everything?
Yeah.
Almost everything. So stay tuned for another video again. Like and subscribe. Right, babe?
Yeah, better. Or else I'll come to your house.